Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Shreya. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Let everyone come inside the meeting. Priyanshu, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, please, if you could tell me the reasons why you are not doing the classes of Hindi, of English, of SST. Please, Priyanshu, I would like to know.
Yes, ma'am.
Reasons.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sorry. बताओ बच्चे, Priyanshu.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Dhruv.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Are you there, Priyanshu?
Yes, ma'am. I am here only. Yes, ma'am.
Please tell. I'm asking you the reasons. You must be having some reasons for not doing the classes, no? Beta. Okay, do you know what we are doing, Priyanshu?
No, ma'am.
How many chapters we have completed in history, do you know?
Yes, ma'am. Around three chapters.
Can you name those chapters?
Ma'am, I know that European one.
You know that European one. What is that European one?
Ma'am, first chapter.
First chapter. Do you know the name of the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या है नाम बताओ?
Ma'am, nationalism in Europe.
That's it. That's it. Priyanshu, you don't even know the name of the chapter. My God, what are you going to do in the exams? I am worried. Chaliye. All those who are there, one simple thing I am telling you, it is from all the subject teachers because they all have said this, particularly English and the Hindi teachers. They have said that you are not attending their classes and then don't expect any extra favors from them also. Right? There are several other things that they have told, they have said, but I am not telling you right now here. Let the PTM be there. Let your parents come to the school. We'll directly speak to the parents over there. Right? And please do not take it otherwise. It is not to humiliate you. It is just to tell you, warn you that you are in class 10th. You are supposed to take your classes regularly. All those who are not taking for any XYZ reason, you are supposed to tell it every day. Suppose 3 classes you have attended and rest 3 or 4 you are not able to attend, kindly specify the reason on the group itself so that the teachers know. Let it be a genuine thing. If you are genuinely not attending, let it be common to everyone. Let everyone know about this. Right? I hope I am clear with this.
Yes, ma'am.
And moreover,
Yes, ma'am.
moreover, when you will write this in the group that you have a particular issue or a particular problem, teachers will understand. Right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Like the other day, after the exams, Sanya, she wrote a message that, ma'am, I'm out of station only because of the test I was attending. so I will not be able to attend my classes for 2-3 days. It is fine. Nobody will feel, no one is going to feel offensive about this. If she has her genuine reasons, maybe she is out because of the parents, so it is fine. But at least she tried to convey this message, right? Similarly, Yadvendra also gave a message that because he has to go out urgently, he could not attend the class. Aksada specified that last 2 classes she won't be able to do because she has to go out. So I think you people are mature enough to write at least this much as a message to convey to your subject teachers that what is the reason why you are not attending the class. That way, even they don't have to call me unnecessarily and tell me that, see, so and so is not doing class, so and so is not doing class, right? I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
See, it is not to humiliate you. It is neither to insult you. It is just that because we are concerned, the policies that the CBSE has laid down this time, they are quite strict. And if you will not be following them, then we are sorry, we cannot do anything because they will be asking for the details, right?
Yes,
ma'am.
Priyanshu, Monday when you are there in the class, I will ask you what all course we have completed. All those who are not attending regularly, it is for all of them. I would like to know, plus your notebooks I would like to see. आयुष सागर ने क्रॉस का साइन क्यों लगाया है?
मैम सागर?
Sorry, आयुष सिंह. Sorry, आयुष सागर is another student. हाँ, बताओ आयुष, ये क्रॉस का साइन किस लिए था?
मैम ऐसे ही लगा दिया मैम.
ऐसे ही आप कृपया करके कोई काम ना करें, ठीक है?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Malay.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, today those questions we have done in class, and ma'am, we have to do that also in notebook, or ma'am, simply we have to do
only
the
the detailed questions that you have, that you are supposed to do in the notebook, plus additional questions that I give you, or the worksheets that I give you, the flow charts that I give you, you are supposed to do them in the notebooks, right?
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji beta.
Ma'am, can you show a work of that?
Can you? बेटा ठीक से बोलो, हमें समझ नहीं आया बच्चे. Okay, Anya Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, I hope I am clear in everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. You have any problems, you are always free to call me up and tell me the reasons. Fine.
Okay.
I am always there to support you people. I am always there for you. Have I ever said no for anything that you have come up with and I have said no?
No, ma'am.
Fine. So please, at least don't annoy me, because I am always in support of it. I never doubt your intentions. I never say anything for whatever you are doing, right? Because I understand there are small things that create problem, and sometimes these things are not in our hands, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye, enough of lecture baji. Now let us come back to the question answers. I think last paragraph Aksada had read, and I told you to do. We'll be doing the question answers of that paragraph in the next class. So let us not start with this paragraph. Let us start with the first question that you have in the book. State the various functions political parties perform in a democracy. Can we have anybody in the class telling the answer to this question? Anyone?
Can I?
Ji beta, Aksada.
First is parties contest elections. Second, parties put forward different policies and programs, and the voters choose from them. Third, parties play a decisive role in making laws for a country. Fourth, parties form and run governments. Fifth, those parties that lose in the elections play the role of opposition to the parties in power. Sixth, parties shape public opinion. Seventh, parties provide people access to government machinery and welfare schemes. That's it.
Fine. Can you tell from which page you have told this answer so that everyone can mark it?
Ma'am, from page number 73 and 74, the points which are written in bold, the first line, sorry.
You need to write the detailings also of this, because you may get any of the function to give in detail. So when you are doing this answer, make sure that the details also you are writing along with the answer, with the main heads that you are writing. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Any doubts? Any doubts to anybody?
No, ma'am.
Fine. Fine. Now, next question. What are the various challenges faced by political parties? Can we have Dhananjay telling the answer?
Ma'am, ma'am, may I?
Yes, Malay.
Ma'am, may I?
Dhananjay,
Ma'am.
bata. Acha, Malay, wait. Dhananjay is telling the answer.
Okay.
Dhananjay, tell. And next answer, Ananya will tell, okay? Sorry,
the
Anya Gupta.
following,
हाँ,
ma'am,
Dhananjay,
the
बताओ.
following are and the challenges faced by political parties are, ma'am, the lack of internal democracy, dynastic succession,
Very good.
money and muscle power, and decline of meaningful change.
ठीक है. अब इसके अंदर थोड़ी डिटेलिंग भी रिक्वायर्ड होगी. So that detailing, how will you do?
Ma'am,
जी बेटा.
ma'am, ordinary members of the party do not get sufficient information on what happens inside the party. Ma'am, it can also be the cause.
Yes, you can write. देखो इसमें coming to page number 83, I hope. Yes, Aksada, you cannot. नहीं रुको, Anya had raised her hand. No, let her try. Anya, would you like to try better this answer?
Ma'am, the same, the challenges faced by the political parties.
First point, the detailings, what exactly you are going to write in that?
Detail. The challenge was the internal democracy within the parties, and
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, चलो कोई नहीं आन्या.
Ma'am, may I?
चलो, Dhananjay was
मैं-
telling. Yes, Devansh or Dhananjay?
Ma'am,
Dhananjay.
Dhananjay.
चलो बताओ बेटा, बताओ.
The first, ma'am, lack of internal democracy. Ma'am, in this we can write that all over the world there is a tendency in political party towards the concentration of power in one or few leader at the top. And ma'am, second point we can write ordinary members parties do not ordinary members of the party do not get sufficient information information on what happened inside the party.
ठीक है.
Third point is they don't have the mean or the connections needed to influence the decision. Ma'am, this much.
हाँ, ये लिख सकते हैं. Very good. Have you all underlined this?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
And we can also write this: parties do not keep membership register.
This is also given over here, no? This also you can write. Yes. Very good. So can Aksada sum up all the answers, all the points? Beta,
Ma'am, may I?
beta,
Yes,
Aksada,
ma'am.
sum up all the points that he has told right now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first point will be all
Ma'am,
over
please
the
tell the
world.
question number.
Beta, question number 2 we are doing, Dhruv.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I was disconnected actually.
I'm gonna start.
Yes, Aksada.
Ma'am, first point can be all over the world there is a tendency in our political parties towards the concentration of power in one or few leaders at the top. Second point can be parties do not keep membership registers, and also they do not hold organizational meetings. And ma'am, third can be ordinary members of the party do not get sufficient information on what happens inside the party. And ma'am, fourth point can be they do not have the means or the connection needed to influence the decisions.
ठीक है, right. Have you all underlined these lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do we have Khushbu in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
खुशबू आपको बेटा क्लास में ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, चलिए. Next answer question. Who will answer this question?
May I?
बेटा next point, sorry, next point का detailing. Dynastic succession वाला. Ayush will tell.
May I?
हाँ बताओ बेटा आनंद.
The second challenge of dynastic succession is
No, ma'am. I will tell the
first one.
next two.
Most political parties
Ma'am,
do
may
not
I
practice
tell?
open and transparent
Please tell it,
procedure for
हाँ.
their functioning. There are very few ways for an ordinary worker to rise to the top in a party. People who do not have advocate experience or popular support come to the occupy position of power.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, then
नहीं और भी तो पॉइंट्स है इसके. ध्रुव आप बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, may I tell?
हाँ बताओ ध्रुव बताओ.
Ma'am, but my answer is not in points.
No. The answer is in points, but then what detailing you are going to write for those answers, that I am asking. Got it?
Even for dynastic, I have
हाँ
the answer. Yes, ma'am.
चलिए.
For this has been in the political parties from time immemorial. The leader of the party sets a lineage, and one after another, a dynastic succession keeps taking place, which affects the changes of other ministers in the party to gauge and affect position in the party.
ठीक है. All four done? All points you have told, beta? Dhruv?
Sorry, ma'am, I was disconnected.
अच्छा, चलिए बताइए.
The dynastic
Succession.
is also bad for democracy since people. Yes, ma'am. Succession is also bad for democracy since people who do not have adequate experience or popular support come to occupation position of power. And this much only.
ठीक है. Anybody else would like to add on to it?
when there have been dynastic succession in many political parties, this often deprives the parties of adequate leadership.
चलिए, is there anybody who can sum up all these points? Second point का summing up of the details. हाँ?
Ma'am, may I tell one point more for the dynastic
हाँ जी,
succession?
You can.
Ma'am, in dynastic succession, people favor those only who are closer to their family members in the parties.
ठीक है. इसको अगर हम sum up करें तो आयुष will sum up और अक्षदा will sum up और आन्या will sum up. बताओ भाई, who is going to sum up? बेटा.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, बेटा.
Ma'am, first point can be since most political parties do not practice open and transparent procedures for their functioning, there are very few ways for an ordinary worker to rise to the top in a party.
ठीक है.
And ma'am, second can be in many parties the top positions are always controlled by the members of one family. And ma'am, third can be this is unfair to other members of that party.
और एक चीज और भी तो है इसमें, अच्छा, you have told this point that the top positions are always controlled by the family members, right?
Yes, ma'am.
These many points are more than sufficient. Rest 2 points will you do on your own, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Next question
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
suggest some reforms to strengthen parties so that they perform their functions well. I think for this, you can write. Who will tell this answer? Dhananjay has raised his hand.
Ma'am, we are on which question, ma'am?
We are on
Actually, I'm
question number
getting got
3.
disconnected.
बेटा question number 3 पे हैं हम बच्चे.
Ma'am, which question?
Suggest some reforms to strengthen parties so that they perform their functions well.
Ma'am, it can be from page
Ma'am,
85, 86.
It can be from page 86 only. 85 का तो वो तो laws भरा ही दिए गए हैं, है ना? Suggestions मांग रहे हैं वो. तो Aksada, if you could tell this answer, read out.
Ma'am, first point can be the constitution was amended to prevent elected MLAs and MPs from the changing parties. This was done because many elected representatives were indulged in defection in order to become ministers or for cash rewards. Ma'am, in this we have to write whole points.
I think you can take out some few lines of the points and you can write all the points. Okay? Which are important. Like constitution was amended.
Ma'am, may I tell you small points?
Yes, you can. You can, Dhruv.
The various reforms that a political party can take are a provision within a political party to tackle internal conflicts. The 1/3 representation in the party should be given to women candidates.
Okay, very
The
good.
party should not promote candidates having criminal records.
Okay, you can write this. Very good.
State funding during election should be promoted so that the candidates coming from a poor background stand an equal chance to win.
All these points you can give.
This much only.
See from page 85 class, page 85, the dotted lines that have started 1, 2, 3, and then on page 86, where suggestions are given and where 2 other ways are given. All these you can write. Fine.
Yes, ma'am, in a small form.
In you can cut short some of the lines. You can always write it as you know. So you will be getting, you know, how many points? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 or 9 points you will get in total to write for this answer. Then what is a political party? It is already given in 6th exercise, that is there.
Page number 72.
नहीं 72 नहीं 87 का जो वो है ना, group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government is called a political party. As simple as that.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what are the characteristics of a political party? For this you need to go to page 77. ठीक है? अब page 77 पे जब हम जाएंगे,
Ma'am, there are 3 characteristics.
हाँ, ये देखो, it is given over here.
Ma'am, the characteristics and components.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Tell. Yes, Aksada, you asked something.
Ma'am, components and characteristics have the same meaning.
नहीं, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में भी ये कैरेक्टर्स, ये हम लोग इसके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पूछ रहे हैं ना. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स और फंक्शंस एक ही बात हो जाएगी मेरे ख्याल से. ठीक है? ठीक है?
ठीक है मैम.
हाँ, ये बस आपको थोड़ा सा मैनिपुलेट करना होगा अपने पॉइंट्स को, राइट? Shall I share this answer with you on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I am sharing it with you.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
Give me a minute. Huh? I'm just sharing the screen with you all. It's taking time. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, all points we can write.
All points.
Okay.
All points.
And this is not clear.
I'm trying to get a clear picture. Don't worry.
Ma'am, your mic is muted.
My mic is not mute. What happened? My mic is not mute, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's on.
It was never mute. I never mute my mic because when I start teaching, I don't look at what is there on the screen.
Ma'am, the voice was not coming as.
I was
That's
not
why.
saying anything. Okay. This is the second picture. I hope this is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Anna?
I do not understand the. Can you please
What?
Ma'am, please explain the last point. I do not understand.
Last point says a party is known by which part it stands for, which policies it supports and whose interest is upholds. It upholds. भाई कोई भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को हम क्यों जानते हैं? क्योंकि वो किस तरीके की पॉलिसीज अपहोल्ड करती है, सपोर्ट करती है, वेलफेयर ऑफ पीपल या अपना खुद का वेलफेयर. भाई इंडिविजुअल वेलफेयर देख रही है वो कि जनरल पब्लिक का वेलफेयर देख रही है? अगर कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जनरल वेलफेयर ऑफ द पब्लिक नहीं देख रही है तो will you ever support that political party? No, you will not.
No, ma'am.
Right? Because these parties, the representatives are there to look after your welfare, not their own welfare. There are some people, those who come for selfish motives in the politics, but then there are some people, those who are completely, unbiased. They are genuinely there in politics, in political parties as representatives to help to support the general public, right? Because they know that it is these political parties or coming in, becoming a leader only will, enhance them or give them power to work for the welfare of the general public, right? Right, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
हाँ जी. और कोई चीज जो ना समझ में आई हो? I hope these points are clear to everyone.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
decrease the size.
चलिए.
Yes,
हाँ?
ma'am.
Do I need to repeat what?
Ma'am, it is not visible.
Ma'am, ma'am, it is very zoom, ma'am. It is
अब
very
ठीक है?
zoom.
अब ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. चलिए. With this, all your book question answers are complete. But you may get questions which may ask you that what are the components of a political party. ठीक है? They may ask you that what is a bi-party system, what is a single party system, what is a multi-party system, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then which political party believes in Marxism and Leninism? बताओ.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Which political party believes in Marxism and Leninism?
Ma'am, Communist Party of India.
Ma'am, Communist Party of
Communist Party of India.
देखो ये दोनों है, CPI और CPIM दोनों है. CPI जो है ना, ये दोनों पार्टीज दे बिलीव इन मार्क्सिज्म एंड लेनिनिज्म. ठीक है? इन दोनों में से किसी एक के बारे में भी लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, बट ये दोनों पार्टीज जो हैं ये इसी में विश्वास रखती है. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अगर आपको स्टेट पार्टीज पे आता है क्वेश्चन, जैसे shall I resume that previous share that we were doing?
Yes, ma'am.
एक मिनट, बुक वाली कहाँ गई? जस्ट अ सेकंड. जैसे ये वाला जो मैप है, आई थिंक दिस मैप इज ऑफ 2018, 13 अप्रैल 2018. ठीक है? इसको यदि हम थोड़ा सा कम करते हैं. ठीक है? आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. दिख रहा है सबको आराम से?
No, ma'am.
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
नहीं
Ma'am,
दिख
is
रहा है?
screen is showing blank, ma'am.
अच्छा रुको
Ma'am.
रुको, स्क्रीन को शेयर करने दो. शेयर स्क्रीन आया?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? अब सपोज ये आपका स्टेट वाला मैप है, and you get a question that in which state does Biju Janata Dal exist as a regional political party? So you look at the map and tell me which state. Biju Janata Dal. बताओ कहाँ पे है बीजू जनता दल?
Ma'am, Odisha.
It is Odisha. Okay, right?
Yes,
Right,
ma'am.
class?
Yes, ma'am.
अब ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन आएगा, which state has maximum number of recognized regional or state parties? तो अगर आप देखो किस स्टेट में सबसे ज्यादा रिकॉग्नाइज्ड और रीजनल पार्टीज हैं, देखो.
तमिलनाडु.
Yes, it is Tamil Nadu. ठीक है? Then they may ask you that which two parties were formed after the split with parent party? Which two political parties were formed after their split with the parent party? तो क्या बताओगे? हाँ?
Ma'am, please repeat.
My question is, which two political parties came into existence after their split with the parent party? वो दो पार्टीज कौन सी थी जो अपनी पेरेंट पार्टी से अलग होके जो एग्जिस्टेंस में आई? बताओ. Nobody?
Ma'am, Indian National Lok Dal.
नहीं, एनसी बेटा हम स्टेट वाले नहीं पूछ रहे हैं, हम स्टेट के लिए नहीं पूछ रहे हैं, हम एक जनरल जो नेशनल पार्टी जो जनरल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं, या ये कह लो नेशनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज पूछ रहे हैं हम. वो कौन सी नेशनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज थी जो अपनी पेरेंट पार्टी से अलग होके डिफरेंट पार्टी के फॉर्म में जो है बनकर आई एज नेशनल पार्टीज?
NCP.
एनसीपी एंड
CPI.
CPIM. CPIM. ठीक है?
M.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. चलिए I hope you are clear now कि किस तरीके के questions आ सकते हैं. Not only the
Yes,
questions
ma'am.
which are at the back, कुछ भी from the book, anything. ठीक है? Then if it asks you how many parties are recognized with the Election Commission of India, क्या बताओगे? टोटल पूछ रहा है, रीजनल और नेशनल दोनों. ना दोनों पूछ रहा है, नेशनल और रीजनल दोनों. What will you write? बताओ. Nobody. More than 750 it is written in the book. See?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is it written?
And page number 75.
Page?
Ma'am, 75.
Somewhere it is written in the book only.
Yes, ma'am. In the topic, how many
Ma'am,
parties should
ma'am,
we have?
fifth line. 75, fifth line.
More than 750 parties are registered with the Election Commission of India. ठीक है?
Yes,
Right,
ma'am.
class?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, term 1 whole paper will be of MCQ, or ma'am there will be some objective part?
Only and only MCQ. Only and only MCQ, beta.
Ma'am, how many MCQs?
बेटा ये तो अभी कुछ पता नहीं चला है मेरे को, पर MCQs होंगे, बस इतना पता है. आज एक सिलेबस आया है, अभी I have not been able to.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, वो हम पढ़ नहीं पाए, अभी हम पढ़ लेंगे उसको, तो हम बता देंगे आपको. ठीक है? In Monday,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए. Fine. I hope you will complete your work up till here. And
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
and beta Monday I
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
sharing the flowcharts of history chapter 5 and civics chapter 4 and civics chapter 6, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा, but please make sure that you do them with your hand in the notebook. No photocopies to be pasted in the notebooks.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? No photocopies.
Yes, ma'am.
Only handwritten material, because see, you never know, CBSE people may ask for your notebooks also. वो हर साल 15-15 बच्चों की नोटबुक्स मंगाती है, 5 बहुत अच्छी, 5 एवरेज, 5 बिलो एवरेज. ठीक है? So for that we need to ensure that you all are doing your work in the notebooks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. The meeting is going to end any moment. Try to be regular to all the classes. It is a request. It is going to benefit you only, right? And hope to see you all again on Monday. What
Thank
we
you,
have right
ma'am.
now, more than
Thank
that.
you,
Okay. See, there were 17 people in the meeting. Now only 13 are there. That means only 12 are there.